Alright, this is an update to my interference that I get through my basement amp or any of my amps. And it turns out I did a lot of experimentation, and I think it's a computer problem because the surge protectors with the EMI and the RFI filters do not work. And I started doing research, and it turns out it may be the power supply in my iMac or something else, but I'm suspecting the power supply. But this is the sound because there's a lot of videos on YouTube. Here it is. I'm on the, if you're facing the screen, I'm on the right side in the back on that upper slot on a 27-inch iMac, late 2009. It's an old, it's 8 or 9 years old now, but it's been making this sound for years. Okay, I'll be quiet. Now, when I get over here on left of center is where it's the loudest, and if you look at their diagrams or the insides of these things, the power supply is just about right here. Now, it's affected by the brightness of the LCD screen, so it's all the way bright now. I'm going to turn it dim, all the way dim. You'll hear it go down. Okay, it's all the way down. That's all the way up. Down. So, surprisingly, that sound is going through my electrical system in my house. I'll show you another example. Okay, this is what gave me the clue last night. I was down here, I unplugged everything and went back and forth, different circuits, all running extension cords, trying to figure out what was going on. And I was down here trying to plug this in, and I heard that buzzing noise, and it was loud. I'm going, well, why is it down here when the computer's up on the desk? This is my Tripp-Lite Isobar8. The computer is off now. You notice that the box is very quiet. Now I'm going to turn the computer on and listen. Actually, since I've been doing all these, my computer won't come on right now, and that's another problem. I don't know what's going on with it. I'll be back. Alright, let's try again. For some reason I've had to unplug the computer, let it sit for a little while, and now let's see, I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully it comes on. You hear that noise? Now what in a computer would cause a surge protector to make that noise? All the research I've done right now sounds like the power supply, which is $140. It's either try to fix that, or of course they can't ever figure it out, and they want to sell you a new computer for $1,500 or $2,300. They do make them well. I mean, this thing's almost 9 years old. So, either way, that's kind of the update. It turns out, I don't know what kind of interference this is. I know that power supply has a ton of capacitors on it. As far as I can tell, it puts out 25 amps or something at 12 volts. 330 watts or something like that. I don't understand how that works, but that's what powers the computer, everything in the computer. So it apparently bleeds back into this, and it goes into the house electricity, and I can't get rid of it. It's annoying. Hope this helps somebody. I'll let you know if the PSU replacement helps. That's power supply unit. $140 on eBay. Talk to you later.